The G90 is the highly anticipated successor to the BLU G9, one of the best-selling smartphones on Amazon.com, with over 4 stars rated for the past 12 months. The G90 brings several improvements over its predecessor, such as a larger 6.5-inch HD Plus Infinity display and a new triple-camera setup with the latest Android 10 platform. The remarkably designed BLU G90 will be a hit with 4 different stunning color options, high-end performance and sleek form factor. Behind the G90's slim bezel 6.5-inch Infinity in-cell display, the visual experience is elevated with real-to-life color in everything you watch and do, from gaming and movies, to web surfing and multitasking. The G90's ultra-slim bezel Infinity display projects 89% screen-to-body ratio, providing amazing images while maintaining a smooth handheld experience. The BLU G90 is powered by a brand new 12nm MediaTek Helio A25 chipset with a powerful octa-core ARM Cortex-A53 CPU operating up to 1.8 GHz. Combine that with the IMG PowerVR GE8320 class graphics processor and 4 GB of RAM, you will have the perfect device for everyday apps and gaming. Not to mention, you'll never run out of space again with the G90's 64 GB of internal memory. Whether the moment calls for a close-up, an ultra-wide shot, a nighttime photo, or some artistic portrait mode blur, the G90's triple camera delivers with pro-level quality and ease. The triple camera system includes a 16MP main camera with AF 2.0 aperture, 1/3-inch sensor with 5P lens paired with a 2MP sub-camera to capture depth of field, which results in optimal portrait mode. Lastly, an ultra-wide 120° 8MP sensor for large group shots. On the front, you will find a 13MP selfie camera with AI-enhanced portrait mode and beautification features. The BLU G90 comes with a 4000 mAh super battery with an ultra-fast 5V 2A fast charging capability that will charge your phone to 50% in just 45 minutes. An extensive 4000 mAh packed battery in an 8mm slim design is an engineering accomplishment also worth noting.